Get weak here on my channel.
I'm Therealfatimab, and these are the twins, Lene and Lanija. And today we are going to be doing a Pepsi challenge. We are going to be trying to figure out who can drink a 1 liter Pepsi the fastest. Period.
No stopping. Period.
But before we get into this video, I need y'all to go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Get into them comments and get the chit-chatting. Press that subscribe button and turn them post notifications on ASAP. Period. Go to my Instagram and spam, honey, Therealfatimab.
Period.
Y'all want to know the trick to drinking it faster?
Yes.
Shake it up for 30 seconds. Open it when that's going. Alright, let's try this. Alright, y'all, who y'all think gonna win? Let us know in the comments below. I think I'm gonna win this challenge.
Comment down below, team name.
I don't even drink soda, but I'm about to get right into it. Come on, let's just do it.
Ooh.
Hold up.
Scared.
Keep your top ready. Alright, mine good. Oh, let me stop squeezing it. Don't squeeze it and open it at the same time. Let me help. Alright.
Do it on the acid right now.
I don't even drink soda. I'm nervous. Alright, y'all ready?
No.
5,
Wait.
6.
Let me get some deep breaths.
5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my God, y'all cheating or something? Excuse me.
Oh my God, my lip.
That's my second stop.
That's my first.
You ain't even drinking nothing like that. That's literally the same amount that you started with.
That's a lot. But I was waiting for the.
That's a cheater. That's a cheater. My stomach hurt. My stomach hurt.
Dang it.
Oh my God. Whew. I can't do no more.
I was already drinking the longest.
Lene wasn't drinking nothing in the beginning.
Look.
Hers was literally full. All right. 5, come on. Let me see. Let's see what you got, Lene.
I got one stop.
She finally drinking something now.
Oh, y'all, that was not to mention we get 3 stops. We can't get no more stops.
Oh, I already got 2. All right, come on.
Alright, we gonna do 2. I got 1.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. My stomach. I'm sorry. I need another stop. It's between y'all two now. I already stopped it. The battle of the twins. Lanija, you used to drinking out the bottle. You be sneaking in the refrigerator at night. You be sneaking in the refrigerator at night. That's your second stop. You get 1 point.
I won! No, that's her third.
That's your, how many stops it was?
That's my third. But can't you drink after your third if you stop again, though? Oh, yeah, you can.
Huh?
You can. You can still drink after your third stop, but you just can't stop again after the third stop.
I think I drank after my third stop.
No, that was
All right, last time. Come on, let's go. Get it. Get it. Everybody, let's see who the real winner is.
It's hard because it makes you gotta burp.
All right, just come on. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's see who the real winner is. Lene, the video, you gotta be at, see, 5, 6, 7. Let me make sure you
I'm still burping.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my God. Nah, bruh. This ain't it, bruh. This ain't it, bruh. My stomach about to bust, bruh. Hater, like, what is y'all doing? He just on the floor looking. You finna finna die. Okay. Better with the twins then. Better with the twins. Whoever stopped first, you lost. Better with the twins. Which twin is the winner? Which no, not the dogs. Not the dogs. Get down.
That's my second stop.
No,
Yes, it
we
is.
stopped more than her. We stopped more than her.
No.
We stopped more than her.
Yes, that's my second stop.
That's
Only
your
got
third
one.
stop. That's all right. Come on, go. There's
Only
something
got
you
one.
can drink after your third stop. Now that's your fourth, so you done. Lenaja,
I won.
That
And I still dropped more than y'all. I won. That was my second.
yo, I'm sorry. I suck at this challenge because.
I want rematch.
All right, get a rematch. Let's rematch. Go.
I gotta get all my burps up first.
I gotta clear the space in my stomach.
Excuse me, y'all.
All right, come on.
I'm ready.
Oh,
I'm ready.
yo, I can't drink soda.
Oh my god, it's like
What the heck?
Pepsi is not for me, bruh.
this is the worst soda
Nah,
drink.
bruh.
Stop.
I'm ready.
I
Go.
can do better with Sprite.
All right, yo, they stop. Go.
Get
See who
set.
can finish it. It's the final round.
Finish.
Non-stop. You gotta be non-stop.
Ready.
Set.
Set. Go.
Who can finish it? Non-stop. Finish it. Whoever finishes it wins $5. Get it. Non-stop. 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 Finish it. Non-stop. Your throat need to steadily go. If we review the camera and you are not swallowing, that $5 is not yours. $5. I'm going 10. You earning $10. $10. Here we go. Who want that $10? Drink it. Drink it. Drink it. Your throat need to be moving and you need to be drinking. $10 is on the table. $10. Okay, we going to 20. Oh, she lost. $20. Hurry up. Let's get it. $20 is on the table right now.
I can't do it.
Go.
It's impossible to do that.
They both lost.
I had this much. You expect me to drink this much?
You for $20. If you wanted it bad enough, you would have drunk that John.
My stomach
I was about to stop
exploded.
breathing.
I threw up.
So if y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. Turn them, subscribe and turn them post notifications on, and that's on period. Get in that comment box and let us know what challenges we should do next. Thanks, homeboys. Thanks, homegirls. What squad y'all on?
Honey,
Honey, Bee Squad. All right, and we out, y'all.
I'm done.